Bunch of people want to know what parametric design is, don't have a lot of time to learn about it, so here you go. At its core, it's all about variables. In most mechanical CAD systems, you got variables, we call these parameters. These parameters can be changed to make changes in your model, and if you do it well, you can change a go-kart to a lawnmower without any trouble. Not all systems are parametric. Fusion is unique because we do both. So you can just push and pull on models to make changes if you don't want to worry about the parameters. Most often you can use this method for imported models. These don't have parameters anyway, so it's a nice way to work. One more thing you got to know about Fusion, we actually use the two systems together. So if you use our form environment, you can work non-parametrically to create organic forms and then use parameters to steer all your mechanical stuff. This is a unique workflow to Fusion, so it is a bit of an advanced technique. It lets the designers work the way they want to work and lets you work the way you want to work. It's like hot side hot, cold side cold. Learn more here. And as always, good luck.